When most physicians think about marketing, they immediately think about advertising, Facebook ads, Google ads, billboards. But the truth is, the most powerful marketing for medical practice is when patients come to you already trusting you before they ever step into your office. That is the power of inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is what makes patients say, I've been following you for months and I already knew I wanted to come here. If your practice can achieve that consistently, patient acquisition becomes predictable and dramatically less expensive. Today, we're going to break down the inbound marketing system that every scalable practice needs. The core concept. Inbound marketing means patients discover you, learn from you, and trust you before they ever speak with your team. Instead of chasing patients, patients come to you. This happens through educational content, authority building, digital visibility, and trust signals. Inbound marketing creates demand before the consultation. And this matters because healthcare decisions are trust decisions. Patients want to know, are you credible? Are you experienced? Do other patients trust you? Do you understand their problem? Inbound marketing answers those questions before the phone call ever happens. There are 4 pillars that drive inbound marketing for medical practices. Number 1, educational authority. Patients search for answers before they search for doctors. They Google things like, why do my legs hurt? Do I have varicose veins? How do you treat venous insufficiency? Is vein treatment painful? When you create content that answers these questions, you become the authority they discover first. These include educational videos on YouTube, blog articles, frequently asked question content. The goal is simple. Be the doctor that teaches before the doctor that sells. In fact, the word doctor comes from the Latin word doctare, which means to teach. Number 2, search visibility. If patients cannot find you, they cannot choose you. Search visibility includes Google search results, your Google My Business profile, website SEO, and local search. A well-optimized web practice website becomes a 24/7 patient acquisition machine. Patients could easily find you when searching for vein specialist near me, varicose vein treatment, leg pain doctor. Practices that win the search visibility capture demand that already exists. Number 3, social proof. Healthcare is built on trust. Patients want to see that other people had good experience before they commit. Social proof includes Google reviews, patient testimonials, before and after photos, case studies. A practice with hundreds of positive reviews automatically converts more consultations. Patients feel safer choosing a doctor that others trust. Number 4, consistent content. Inbound marketing only works when it is consistent. One video will not move the needle, one blog post will not build authority. But when you produce weekly educational content, something powerful happens. Patients begin to recognize you as an expert in your market, and it consistently builds familiarity, and familiarity builds trust. What most practices do wrong, most practices make one of 3 mistakes. First mistakes, they rely on paid ads. Paid ads can generate leads, but they do not create long-term authority. Without inbound marketing, practices are renting attention instead of owning it. You need to own the attention. The second mistake is they produce content that is too technical. Remember your audience, they're not physicians. Patients want clear explanation on 5th grade level. Simple language always wins. Third mistake, they stop too soon. Inbound marketing compounds over time. The practices that win are the ones that stay consistent for months and years. Practical application. If you want to build inbound marketing for your practice, start with these steps. Firstly, identify 20 most common questions your patient asks. Second, create short educational videos answering each question. Third, you want to publish that content across your website, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Fourth, encourage happy patients to leave reviews. These 4 actions alone can dramatically increase patient inquiries. Key takeaways. Inbound marketing transforms your practice from chasing patients patients to attracting patients. When patients already trust you before the consultation, three things happen. Conversion rates increase, marketing costs decrease. Your practice grows more predictably. Inbound marketing is not a tactic, it's a long-term authority strategy. Action step. Before the next lesson, I want you to do one exercise. Write down the top 20 questions your patients ask you every week, or the most common frequently asked questions in your specialty. They are your future marketing content.